tama ba kaya ang paglo-low carb mo? Lahat tayo ay nagsisimula ng low carb dito sa ating community. Iba-iba yung mga rason po natin. Some people like me, wala talagang sakit. We do this more for prevention. Theoretically speaking, kung wala kang sakit at nasa ideal body weight ka, you're doing it for prevention. Most of the time, you can actually tolerate carbs like me. Pero bakit mo pinipiling mag-low carb? It's because alam mo, in the long term, so say for example, meron sa pamilya mo na history ng diabetes, although wala ka pang diabetes, wala ka pang stroke, wala ka pang mga ganong klaseng sakit na related sa lifestyle, pero alam mo down the road, meron kang vulnerability. So then you do it. So yun yung isang klase ng taong naglo-low carb. Ikalawa, yung mga gusto ng weight loss. Not necessarily na may sakit. Maaring hindi ganun din ka-strict. And then of course, majority of the people who do this lifestyle, and these are people who are with lifestyle-related medical conditions. So ano yung mga yan? Diabetes, high blood pressure, fatty liver, gout, mataas yung cholesterol, yung iba may PCOS, yung iba memory loss, yung iba rheumatologic conditions, yung iba pa nga cancer. There are so many wonderful, amazing benefits ng low-carb fasting lifestyle sa mga may sakit na. In this regard, yung uri ng paglo-low carb na dapat gawin sa mga tao na talagang marami ang kanilang comorbidities na tinatawag, it has to be clean low carb. Medyo restrictive siya because you've already proven by the very fact that you have a disease, pinapakita na sa'yo ng katawan mo that you can't really tolerate carbs. You will have to do clean low carb, restrictive clean low carb. Sa food guide, makikita mo that there are 3 sections, go, pause, and stop. So obviously, kung ikaw ay kailangan ng clean low carb, ikaw ay mainly magfo-focus dun sa go section, whole unprocessed food. And this is mainly for the people who have diseases. Yun yung tamang pamamaraan ng paglo-low carb ng isang tao na marami ang sakit. Not so much for people na gusto lang ng weight loss. Perhaps you can start with eating also from the pause section. Although, mas papabilis ang weight loss ninyo kung talagang nasa go section din kayo because you also have less inflammatory load, less of the higher calorie density. Kasi syempre pag weight loss ang habol natin, we also take into account yung effect ng calorie density. Although sa lifestyle na to, we don't really count calories. But if your goal is weight loss, then you take that into account. And then of course, yun na nga, prevention. Yung mga tao who are mainly here for preventative reasons like myself, then you can go into what we call yung carb cycling, lalo pa at ikaw ay nagma-muscle building. So, yung tanong na tama kaya ang paglo-low carb mo, there is no one real answer. It depends on why you are doing this lifestyle. So, napakahalaga pa rin, going back to the basics, know why you are doing it. Is it for weight loss? Is it for disease prevention? Is it actually reversal? And then that will dictate the kind of low carb that you're going to be doing.